Hello, welcome everybody. Today we're looking at Bitcoin. We're sitting up, up 0.71%. Now it's not great, but we're holding some support along this line right here. Um, so since about just a few days ago, we were on this massive run up, breaking all-time high after all-time high. And then we had the FOMC meeting, which completely dumped the entire market. We had Jerome Powell saying, no, we don't want to have a strategic reserve for Bitcoin. We've seen this trend line actually acting as resistance. And on Christmas, we had almost touched $100,000. So, guys, what I would be saying to everybody here is if you don't own any Bitcoin right now, you really should. A lot of the times, it's normal to have a pullback like this, a correction, and something like this is totally okay. And actually, averaging into your position over time is really the way to go, not timing the market. We still have analysts projecting 120, 130, who knows? But we need to hold some support along this level here, and maybe it might even be a good time for a buy right now, as we are having some of the Bollinger Bands and the RSI come back to normal levels. Oh, that's not what I want. Anyways, guys, what else is going on? So we have this right here. 6 Bitcoin mutual funds to debut in Israel next week. So we're looking forward to this. Hopefully these bring some new money into Bitcoin. As we know, there's iBit with Blackrock, which is bringing billions and billions of dollars in. So hopefully by December 31st, this should be something we can look forward to. And in other news, yes, BlackRock is selling. It is selling a little bit, but guys, look at this chart. We have days where it sells. Every other day is green. And it's correlated with their ETF fund. So it makes sense when people are selling that it is possible that they can sell as well. But that is, in the grand scheme of things, look at these red days compared to the rest of our days. And they are still accumulating more and more and more. So here it is once again. BlackRock's IBIT sees $188 million outflow as Bitcoin ETF surpasses gold. And you're also having Fidelity, ARK Bitcoin ETFs also seeing outflows. Now, like I just showed you, in general, they're having inflows. There are going to be days like this where it pulls back, where there's sell-off, and there is uncertainty, especially with Russia saying that they are not enjoying mining. And it's very strange that Russia is announcing a 6-year ban on crypto mining, but not too long ago they were just saying they were using Bitcoin for international payments. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. We had Jerome Powell bringing out some terrible news in the FOMC meeting, announcing only 2 rate cuts instead of 4. But nonetheless, guys, if you're not dollar cost averaging right now, you are really missing out. Just zoom out on the big picture of things. All it's going to take is a break of this trend line. And I think we're going to see that with the new management coming under a new president, and we're having Michael Saylor constantly buying. But here we are, up 0.71 or 0.7%, not even 1%, but We're holding good. We're actually holding above 96,000, which is good because that liquidated some people. As I was showing you guys in the previous video, there was liquidations at 96,000. We're also seeing that we're still down about, okay, we're down roughly 10% from all-time highs. Looking at altcoins, XRP still remaining in this channel here of a potential bull flag, pendant, whatever you'd like to call it, up 1%. So usually with these altcoins, it's all correlated to Bitcoin. It says, yeah, still 50% down its peak. January trends are typically bearish. Well, maybe that could serve as a good time as an entry. This might be the perfect time to get in your favorite cryptocurrencies. Solana, still within this channel right here. We did see it break below, and now we're looking as though we're holding it as support once again. But we do need to see this flip back around. I think it's highly unlikely, though, at this stage in the cycle that we will break to the extreme downside. It's going to take a lot more bad news to come out than that. And with the bullishness on Bitcoin, I just don't see that happening. But anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions. If you liked the video, drop a like. That's it. That's my 2 cents. See you guys.